Good morning, Valerie. Good morning, everyone. We're talking about battling domestic violence. Of course, October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. That's why this morning I have Oliette Murray-Drabat joining us this morning. Thank you so much for being with us. I also have Joyce Parkinson with us, taking a look at how victims of this crime can finally just get some help. Thank you both so much for being with us this morning. We really appreciate having you here. Okay, Oliette, obviously you are with the Family Safety Center. Exactly what is that?
It's a not-for-profit organization, and it came out of the need for a coordinated response to domestic violence needs in Memphis and Shelby County. And so we are really there to help victims and help them to connect to coordinated resources, civil, criminal, medical, and social services.
Okay, now, Joyce, I also know that there's something called Walking into a New Life.
Yes.
What is that?
Walking into a New Life is my community outreach program, and the whole idea of it is to bring about awareness, support, and possible job creation for victims and survivors of domestic violence, whether it be men, women. So that is the primary focus and mission of it. And I started it because I am a survivor of DV.
Okay. Now, this is something that hits all races, all socioeconomic levels here in the city of Memphis.
That's correct. 1 in 4 women in Memphis are victims of domestic violence. 56% of the violent crime is domestic related.
Joyce, why does it take so long for women to speak up, for men to speak up? Why does it take so long?
A lot of factors, Darcy. You know, just fear of the unknown, afraid of not having resources available when you take that first step, when you decide that you want to leave that particular situation, not really being sure of where to go, who to talk to, what to do, which is why Family Safety Center will be so relevant here in the city. Personally, when I was transitioning out and dealing with things, even presently, just having to go different places for different services when you have children, you're a single parent, all those factors play into why people stay. So having something like the Family Safety Center will be more than welcome because everything will be one spot.
Well, Oliette, exactly what does the Family Safety Center provide? What do you provide for someone who's right in the middle of a domestic violence situation?
Well, it operates as a one-stop shop, and actually will start in December of 2011 this year. And a lot of our work is really coordinated services. So we work with a lot of different agencies, MIFA, the Memphis Child Advocacy Center, the Exchange Club, the Shelby County District Attorney's Office. Again, it's to create that one-stop shop so that victims can come to one location and make it easier for them to get the resources that they need.
And where's the location?
Again, it's 1750 Madison.
1750 Madison. Oliette, Joyce, thank you both so much for being with us this morning. This is a very important issue, and just letting you know, if you are in this type of situation, of course, there's always help available. Thank you, ladies, so much for being with us. We still have much more to come this morning on Good Morning Memphis. Stay with us, everyone.